Oh yeah, I'm back. I actually wanted to open this up and take a look in it, so let's get her open. See how she is built. See what kind of construction we got here. Let's move her out a little bit. Let's get some better light on the subject. All right, let's open her up. All right, let's take a look inside. So we got, looks like pretty solid wood here. Good solid construction. Obviously a mix of plywood, cheaper plywood, fiber. I mean, it is plywood, but it's not like a solid birch. It's more grainy, porous here. Speakers look good. No name, no brand. Well, probably front loaded. No, it looks like they're attached from the front. We'll take a look at that too. But looks pretty well built, pretty solid for the amount of money these are. Here's your circuit board. So trying to get a good speaker reading here, and yeah, I thought these would be 16 ohm speakers, but they are reading about 21. Let's try the other side and see what happens. I'm getting nothing. Well, that's crazy reading. 23 ohms for a speaker? Well, I guess we'll see if they work. So just to give you an update, I've been trying to take these speakers out of this cabinet for well over an hour. This one here is just spinning. What's the problem is that to get these off was impossible, number one, because this threaded piece goes into a screw, I believe, that's from the front, and then there's another nut underneath here. So what's happened is the nut underneath is loose, so there's no pressure to tighten this down, so it's just spinning. To get them out on a couple of them, I had to use a wrench once I got it up high enough and get it propped underneath there. The problem is now that I've got them all seated, I can't get it up to get a wrench under there. So I think I'm going to have to try and loosen them all. But no doubt I've been at this for over an hour. And the grill does not pop off like the other models do. As you might be able to see, the grill cloth is coming through. So it's screwed to an outer chassis frame. So I'd have to take all those off, and that might not even get it off. So I'm pretty confident it's not Velcroed, because there's no way to real pull it off like you've seen probably on the higher end version of this. So just to keep in mind, man, it's not just a simple change out. I'm gonna still work on it. All right, so I had to take it out. As you can see, this just spins. So there's no real way to get in there unless you come from the front. Feels like it's a Phillips head, but I don't think I have anything that's angled that'll fit in there, but I'm gonna look and see if I got some kind of wrench or something. Because those are horribly loose, some of them, and the thing nut just spins. I could get it up high enough, like I said before, where I could get this wrench under the speaker to hold it so I could get it out, but I'm gonna attempt to see if I can get this thing fixed. That's a shit design in my opinion, but hey, what do I know? Alright, so I got it out. A little bit old-fashioned ingenuity. I took a Phillips head bit and was able to prop it under there. Luckily the screen bends out that I could pull this out, but here's the issue. As you can see, right in this area, all the threads are totally stripped out, so it would not go any tighter or any looser. And I'm pretty sure that's the issue with this one too, so I'm going to take that one apart and see if I have a bolt or a screw that I can replace this with, and see if we can fix this problem. But man, that's a freaking major pain in the arse. Stay tuned. So yeah, both of them are stripped right where you really need to be tightening it down. That's why it's spinning. So I've got another bolt in there. Unfortunately, it's not a Phillips head, so I'm not sure how good I can tighten it, but I'm going to use the same setup. Still got to replace that one, but I will change this out. It's just a tip for cordless. I'm going to have to put a flathead in there, not a Phillips. Well, it's done. It's taken me a couple hours to get these out and in and fix the strip bolts, and going to put it back together and we're going to see how it sounds. We'll do an A-B. By far a big improvement by putting Celestion Vintage 30s in there, but you make the choice. I think it's probably worth it if you spend a little more on the other cabinet and get it with the Celestions. That's it. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Check out all my music online, iTunes, Amazon, CD Baby, all my projects, and at the end there will be a little clip here for you. So check out all the album covers. See you soon. Bye.